Welcome guys to my video. Today we're going to look at some carburetors. This is from a K15 Suzuki, and this is from the Hillbilly Suzuki. They're a little bit different. The openings are a little bit larger on the 11. This is posse force oil fed, and you can see the barrels different. And the way they attach to the barrels themselves are different. For example, here's the K15, and it fastens like so. But today we're going to work on the Suzuki Hillbilly. And it fastens a little bit different. Fastens on like so. The purpose of this video is just to show you the inner workings of it. So let's take it apart. This is a 7mm cable adjuster. And this is the plunger cap, and it's probably a 13 mils. We have a little spring in there. And we also have a starter plunger. I grab a screwdriver here. Normally there's a cable attached to it, so you will pull on the cable. We will come back to it. We have another cable adjuster here, which is basically the same as this, which I don't have on this particular one. This is the mixing chamber cap. Spring inside. And just stick my finger in and we pull this out. The throttle valve. And in the throttle valve there's a clip. Again, we could just pull the clip out. You can push on the throttle valve and the clip will come out. This is the jet needle. It has a very tiny C clip on it, and you can adjust it. It's got little grooves. And this is the throttle valve again. We got 4 Phillips here. Holding a float bowl. The float bowl. This one's pretty pitted inside. It was pretty gummed up and it took quite a bit of cleaning. I used solvent. We have the float bowl gasket. And the float. To remove the float, we're just going to push on the pin. We use this carburetor cleaner brushes. We just push on the pin. Remove the pin. And the float moves up and down like this, and we have this little flap. That presses on a little valve. We have a little needle valve in here. And I'm guessing this is about an 8 millimeters. Yeah, 8 millimeters. We have a gasket. So the gasket goes between the body and see, what can we call that? You can call that the needle valve assembly. This is also a 8. And this is the needle jet. So we're moving the needle jet. It's got 0.2 on it. That marking with the 0.2. Here it says 75. Marking on 112. This is the throttle valve stopper screw. It just screws in there and stops the body from going up and down in there. And you can adjust it here. This is where you're going to make some adjustments when it's on the machine. If it's running too rich or not rich enough. I just made that up, but and then you have one here too. So as you can see, these carburetors are quite simple. Mikuni. This particular one is a VM17-18. And again, it's for the Hillbilly. So we set this here. We will grab the throttle valve and set it inside. This is not the order we took it apart, but let's see what happens. Now there's a little guide pin on the inside housing, and it will slide in there up and down the pin. So basically you will not be able to put it down this way or this way or this way. It only can go one way.